Hey guys, it's me, Charlie. Me and my dad.
Hi.
We're going to find things and we're going to take a picture of animals. I look, he takes a picture.
Where are we?
At the sanctuary.
At the bird sanctuary.
Let's go! We're going to go to the grandpa tree.
Where are we going?
The grandpa tree. He's also named Tico. Let's go!
Hey, go climb up there. You want to climb up there? Come on, it's not that high up.
We saw a snake and we missed it.
Yeah, we couldn't get it on camera.
Yeah, it looked like an eel.
It looked like it was a little stick or something.
Yeah. We made it to the grandpa tree. It's big, look. And we're going to climb it soon.
Whoa!
I'm going to climb these steps and take a picture. Let's go. You gotta jump.
Boing. Good job.
We saw a snake, birds, and some turtles. And ducks.
And we climbed the grandpa tree.
Yeah. I hope I see you tomorrow. Bye.